Hello, welcome back to Gears Workshops channel. You've just seen a wooden house architectural model that I created. It is based on a real house in Tokyo's Central Business District residential. Tokyo Apartment, a collective housing designed by Sue Fujimoto Architects. I changed a few things, such as increasing the number of houses from 4 to 6. Other details have been simplified to make it easier to build out of wood, but I've managed to keep the original concept intact. I wish I could build something like this in real life. I hope you enjoy it. Check out the video's description if you're looking for blueprints. Thank you for your time. See you on the next project. Goodbye.